I don't know about you, but I am super excited and blessed to witness this day. Yes, this is my last video for 2020 and I am easing into 2021 with this easy popcorn recipe. We are going to be infusing some bananas and baby cereal in there, so please stick and stay with me. So we are going to need some corn kernels, dehydrated bananas, some baby cereal, olive oil, and margarine. Alternatively, you can use unsalted butter, but please remember to add in a pinch of salt. So we'll start by blending our dehydrated bananas and baby cereal. You can find some of these dehydrated bananas at the shopping malls or some big supermarkets. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any new videos. So on medium-low heat, I'm going to baste my saucepan with some olive oil. So I'm spreading it in such a way that the bottom of my pan has oil everywhere. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and add in my corn kernels. So I'm pouring it in and I'll be shaking so that all the kernels are coated with some oil. Then I'll cover and allow my corn to pop. So when the popping is going on, please be shaking your saucepan so you don't get any burnt popcorn when this is done. To my amazing returning subscribers who have held me down till this far, thank you so much. God bless you. So once the popping slows down, you know that your popcorn is almost ready. So you can turn off the heat. Here I'm melting my margarine. Once that is done, with my fire turned off, I'm going to pour my margarine over my popcorn. So I'm making sure that every popcorn is coated with some melted margarine. Now I'll add my blended dehydrated bananas and baby cereal mix. So our melted margarine will make sure that the mixture sticks onto our popcorn and we have something very yummy as an end result. I really hope you try this easy popcorn recipe at home and enjoy over movies or cartoons with your little ones. It's been amazing coming your way in 2020. We are looking forward to 2021, bringing you more nutritiously yummy homemade recipes. Until then, we hope the year brings us endless possibilities and we keep blooming.